will see the second exercise. In first exercise, we have seen the horizontal distance. Now, second exercise is for the REM. REM stands for the remotely elevated measurement. Okay, so that is just like a tangential method where we are measuring the horizontal distance and the vertical angle. So here the vertical angle is measured by this total station. So simply we have to measure the horizontal distance. How we have to measure? I will demonstrate over here. Now from the first starting, I will do it so that you will understand. Okay, so first you have to go in mode B. So F5 button you have to press. Then special function you have to use. In that you have to use page F5, and then you have to go for the calculation F2. In that you have to go for the REM. Okay, so by pressing F4, go to REM. So it will be activated, and then you have to enter. Okay, now it is in REM mode. Now what you have to do? You have to press the F1 button. Measure distance you have to do. Yes sir, you please come on this side. We will fire the gun. Before that, what you have to do? You have to bisect the prism. Please sir, bisect it using this.
Directly bisect?
Means from this bisector, you have to first see the
okay,
prism, and then you have to fire the measure button F1. Please. Okay, so laser gun will go there and come down, and whatever the time it will require, from that the distance is measured.
Okay, so now here horizontal distance is 18.3.
Yes, so this is horizontal distance is measured. Now we have to measure the pipe length, right, up to the angle, Y angle. Okay, please show them that Y angle. I think it is visible. Y angle is upper.
Yes.
Pipe, right? Up to that we will measure the distance. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to raise this telescope up to that point, right? So I will raise that point. Obviously you have to use that bisector. Now here it is bisect, so directly it will give the distance by entering the button, right? So I will enter the button, it will give the distance, that is 6.765. so this is what REM done. Okay.